Hello everyone, I'm Wendy. Today I'd like to introduce a new Makerfabs product, the non-position no-type water linkage sensor, which can monitor water linkage across multiple points and send alerts through email, MQTT, and Telegram, making it ideal for monitoring kitchen, warehouse, or any area with multiple nodes.
In today's video, our goal is to show you how to set and get leak alerts with 3 different notification methods: email, MQTT, and Telegram.
All of these are configured through rules in the data cake. Now let's have a look at how to set it up by using data cake rules.
First, install the cable to place where you want to monitor. Then, create a device in DataCake. Select aggregations and water link sensor, and enter the triplets and frequency bands. Now, we can view the device data in real time on DataCake. Next, let's add rules to implement our 3 different notification methods. First, email notification. Click on Rules, then select Add Rule. Assign a name to the rule. Here, name the leak alert email. Choose water leak flag as the variable to be monitored. Set the condition when its value is true, indicating the device is in a water linkage state. Select Send an email. Enter your email address, then compose the subject line and message. Click Create Rule. Now, we will receive an email whenever there is a leak. Next, MQTT notification. Add another rule and name it Leak Alert MQTT. Choose water leak flag as the variable to be monitored and set the condition. Here, we use DataCake's webhook function to send data directly to an MQTT broker, in this case, EMQX Cloud. Search for EMQX in your browser, sign up or log in it, create a new project. Enter project name. Click New EMQX Broker. Choose Plan. Enter the username and password for the client. Click New API Key. Copy your app ID and app secret. Since DataCake requires the authorization to be in base64 format, we can use Aqua Cloud to convert it. Copy authorization and the URL to DataCake. Then configuration the payload, including the topic and message content. Take out your phone and open the MQTT app. Enter your hostname, port, username, password, and topic. Now, whenever a leak is detected, a message will be published to your MQTT broker. Next, let's look at Telegram notifications. Here, we also use a webhook. Create a new robot in Telegram, following the instructions to enter your information. Copy your token and search in the browser to get a chat ID. You need to replace this with your token. Include the both token, chat ID, and message content in the DataCake URL. Now, whenever a leak is detected, you will receive a notification on Telegram.
That's how you can easily monitor water linkage and get alerts by using the aggregations. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.